What's up, everybody, and welcome to Marketing with Dom. It's your boy, DB, live in the building. I'm going to talk about something today that is very, very important, which is how to master your hashtags in 2020. It is something that I feel like people always want to say, here's the way to do it, research. I'm like, I'm a systems guy. If you follow me, I like shit easy. Why do you hire lazy people to do things? Because they always find the easiest way to make sure they get it done, and they don't get fired, but they get shit done. I'm not lazy, but what I'm saying is I hire people around me to get things done the easiest way. This software has changed the game for me completely. It allows me to do the research and hashtags that I used to do in hours of a time in a matter of a second. Check this out. I look at a platform that we have on here. Let's go with this one. Let's go with the Gentleman Gorilla right here. Bam. Let's go with marketing. Marketing, people. Bam. This one, I don't know how to delete it. You delete it like that? I don't know how to delete this. How do you delete it? I don't know how to delete this. I don't know. What does it matter? But this is the marketing. So basically from here on the marketing side, what you can do is restart like this, restart like that. It doesn't matter. Okay, bam. So this allows to do 90% of the research that you would do on any kind of platform. When you put marketing here, it gives you all the main close to hashtags that match with that. And then it tells you their average likes so you can see if you can compete with that. Average likes that goes on the Explore page, 2,000, right? 2,200. Bam, I mean, I'd click that. I think I could compete there. 1,000, I think I could compete there. Let's see, 500, I think I could compete there. 700, I think I could compete there. 700, I think I could compete there. 2,000, I don't think I could compete there. 100, I think I could compete there. 400, I think I could compete there. Bam. So basically what I would do is I would take this, I would literally save it, and it goes to a application on my phone that stays there at all time for me to be able to click on it and post it in my pictures. That means you can do all the hashtag research you need right here in one place and then have the presets already in your phone at all times. And it will break down everything you need to get to the close niche that you're trying to talk about in your video. Hashtags are extremely important. They just said in 2020, the CEO of Instagram said shadow banning is not a real thing, but being bad at hashtags are. Let's go. So this is the breakdown. This is the software you should use. I'm telling you 100%. You waste your time spending a massive amount of time trying to figure out what hashtag you can compete in. The industry of Instagram is still popping. I'm telling you, it's crazy. So I wanted to drop this for you. This is how you blow up your Instagram using hashtags in 2020. And I'll see you on the other side. It's your boy DB Live in the building. Make sure you subscribe to the page. Make sure you count in the link down below. Join the link and get a hold of it. I can't wait to see you on the other side. It's your boy DB Live in the building.